Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. We are from HB Memorial Cricket Tournament Chaksari. Today the two teams are Wanigam United versus Chukkar Royals. This is a very important match of this second round of this tournament. आप सभी का इस फेसबुक और लाइव यूट्यूब पे आपका स्वागत और इस ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद लें, वो इस मैच का मजा लें. This is very important match today at Sariwarpura ground between Chukkar Royals versus Wanigam United. This is a round 2 match of this tournament. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और भी जो जुड़ने वाले हैं वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप YouTube पे भी देख सकते हैं. वो घर बैठे इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मज़ा लें. Wanigam United they win the toss and they decided to bat first. Irfan Khan and Khalil Rabada is the two batsmen for Wanigam United on to come on bat. Oh, this is a great delivery. Oh, this is very great delivery by Nisar Dar. Another good delivery by Nisar Dar. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 0. Oh, this is a great delivery. Oh, there is a chance, but at the end it is first four for Wanigam. The score moves on 5. This is Irfan Khan. He moves on 8. With this 4, the score moves on 9. This is the first over. Nisar on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan. This is a good comeback. No run, score remains on 9. And this is the end of first over. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का आनंद ले, मजा ले इस मैच का. सो दिस इज मैच बिटवीन वानीगाम यूनाइटेड वर्सेस Chukar Royals. First Waningaam United they win the toss and they decided to bat first. This is Kamran to the batsman Irfaq. This is a vital delivery, but very great keeping by Kaisar Tar. Score remains on 10 without any loss. This is again Kamran Butt to the batsman Khalil Rabada. This is great delivery, good delivery. Dot delivery, no runs. Score remains on 10 without any loss. Score update also in front. Thank you, Sam Bilal Saab. Still any issue in score update? I will try my best to update score card on this live broadcast. Again, Kamran Butt to Rabada. This is another great delivery, good delivery with the batsman Rabada. No runs. Score remains on 11 without any loss. अगर हम कामरान की बात करें तो एक यंग और एनर्जेटिक बॉलर है और he has much more talent in bowling. Right now he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Khalil Rabada. Still this is a very good delivery by Kamran beat the batsman Khalil Rabada. No runs. Score remains on 11 without any loss. This is a great bowling by the young and energetic bowler of Chukar Royals, Kamran Butt. This is again Kamran Butt to the batsman Khalil Rabada. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. Last hope quality is not good. Thank you for your good suggestion. आप जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी. और this is no ball given by the umpire. Sorry, this is a hand off. This is no ball given by the umpire. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपने लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में कमेंट में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और वॉइस कैसी आ रही है. So this is a very good fielding at the end by JD. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. Kamran Butt again to the batsman Irfaq Khan. He is on 8. This is very great delivery by Kamran Butt. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया, बीट किया यहाँ पे बैट्समैन इरफाक खान को. Total score is 13 without any loss. This is T20 Cup played at Sri Varpura. This is another good delivery and this is here was the chance but very good and luck for the batsman Irfaq Khan. Good delivery, beat the batsman. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले इस लाइव मैच का आनंद लें और मज़ा लें. एंड यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. Kamran Butt on his bowling mark to the batsman and this is another good delivery but the two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 14 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मज़ा ले. So this is 2 hours complete. The score on board is 14 without any loss. Now Nisar Dar again on his bowling mark to the batsman Khalil Rabada. This is a good shot played by the batsman Rabada and very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 15 without any loss. This is a T20 Cup played at Sri Varpura ground, Akbal Memorial Ground. The two teams are today Waningaam United versus Chukar Royals. First Waningaam United they win the toss and they decided to bat first. And this is the third over of this first evening between the two teams. This is a good delivery by Nisar Dar. But the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 16 without any loss. Last hope scoreboard कहाँ है? थोड़ा issue इसमें चल रहा है इस वक्त. इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करेंगे. Oh, this is a good shot, Khalil Rabada. This is first six of this evening. Very good shot, quality shot played by the batsman Khalil Rabada. He moves on 16. The score moves on 22. Irfan Khan, sorry. He moves on 16 runs. Very good shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for Irfan, 6 for Manigam United. Again, Nisar to the batsman Irfan Khan. He's on strike. Sam Bilal network issue. Thank you, Sam Bilal. So with this live broadcast, so this is Nisar to the batsman Irfan Khan. This is a good comeback by the bowler Nisar Dar, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on 23 without any loss. Nisar to the batsman Khalil Rabada. This is another single here. Take the two batsmen. Very good running between the wickets. Between the two batsmen Khalil and Irfan Khan. Complete single. The score moves on 24 without any loss. This is the third over of this first evening of this match. Played at Seri Valpura Iqbal Memorial Ground. Nisar to the batsman Irfan Khan. Beat the batsman. Very good delivery by Nisar Khan. This is up. The score is 24 without any loss after 3 hours. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी से निवेदन के इस मैच को लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. The score is 24. Now Kamran is again on his bowling mark. He's on his second over to the batsman Irfan Khan. He's on 17 runs. Khalil Rabada, sorry. He's on strike. Oh, this is a good delivery by Kamran Bhatt. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman Rabada. No run score remains on 24 without any loss. Kamran Bhatt is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Khalil Rabada. He is on 3 runs. He faces 6 deliveries. And this is a good shot played by the batsman Rabada. This is first 4 for Rabada and 4 for Manigam United. The score moves on 28 without any loss. This is a great shot played by the batsman Khalil Rabada. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. अगेन Kamran back to the batsman Khalil Rabada. Oh, here is another 6 for Khalil Rabada. Very good shot played by the batsman. 6 for Rabada, 6 for Manigam United. The score moves on 34 without any loss. This is a great batting by the two batsmen Khalil and Irfan Khan. The partnership moves on 34. This is good start for Manigam United. Khalil Rabada, he's on 13 with the help of 1-4 and 1 huge 6. Kamran back to the batsman Rabada. This is a good comeback by the bowler, but at the end very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 35 without any loss. Now Irfan Khan, he's on strike. He's on 17 runs with the help of 2 4s and 1 huge 6. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. दिस इज T20. Kamran to the batsman, wants to hit this ball. बीट हुए वहाँ पे Irfan Khan. This is great delivery by the bowler Kamran Bhatt. Beat the batsman Irfan Khan. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but at the end he missed this ball. Very good delivery by Kamran. Score remains on 35 without any loss. Again Kamran back to the batsman Irfan Khan. And this is a chance here, but at the end this is Wahid on fielding, but very good try by the fielder Wahid. The score moves on 36 after 4 hours. Irshad lefty, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. This is a Irshad lefty to Irfan Khan. Very good delivery. Very good delivery. Here was appeal, but cannot impress the umpire. The two batsmen take a single. This is a very good fielding at the end. The two batsmen cannot stop take single here. They want to take a single, but very good fielding at the end. Ashok Ashraf Rathar, thank you for joining us. King number 1 alert, thank you King for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Irshad lefty to the batsman Khalil Rabada. He is on strike. This is a good shot played by the batsman Rabada. This is 4 for Rabada, 4 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 41 without any loss. Khalil Rabada, he is on 18 with the help of 2 fours and 1 4. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इरशाद लेफ्टी अगेन टू खलील एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेट फील्डिंग बाय द fielder Chedi, but cannot stop the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 42 without any loss. Irshad lefty again on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan. This is a good shot played by the batsman. Huge 6 by the batsman Irfan Khan. 6 for Irfan Khan and 6 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 48 without any loss. Very good batting by the two batsmen Irfan and Rabada. The partnership moves on 48 in 30 deliveries. This is another good shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. 4 for Irfan, 4 for Wanigam United. This is 50 up for Wanigam United. 52 without any loss. Very good start by the two batsmen given to his team Wanigam United. After 5 hours, the score on board is 52 without any loss. Shaukat Nayu Sakur, Bolo, thank you. Shaukat Nayu for joining us. King also join us with this live broadcast. Ashraf Rathar, he is also joining with us. This is 5 hours. Score is gone and the score on board is 52 without any loss for Wanigam United. Now the new bowler is Faisal is the new bowler for Chukar Royals. Aksadi, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. सो दिस इज द न्यू बॉलर फॉर चुकर रॉयल फैसल नजार. एक्स आदि, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइन अस. किंग आल्सो थैंक यू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में। इरफान सदाम, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर चुकर रॉयल्स, thanks for support Chukar Royals, Irfan Saddam Saab. This is Faisal to the batsman, Rabada. This is good shot played by the batsman, and 4 for Rabada, 4 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 56 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से नवीन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो देखने वाले हैं घर बैठे वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। दिस इज T20 Cup played at Sariwarpura Ekbal Memorial Ground. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. Faisal to the batsman, Rabada. Very good comeback by the bowler. Very good comeback. Good delivery. No runs score remains on 56 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। एक्सादी साहब, अशरफ साहब, किंग साहब, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। एंड यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। कीप सपोर्ट आल्सो ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच ऑफ दिस tournament. This is second round tournament played at Sariwarpura ground. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 5.2 hours, the score on board is 56 without any loss. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी कार्डी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। स्कोर अपडेट के लिए सॉरी, थोड़ा इशू उसमें चल रहा है, उसमें थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, उसके लिए सॉरी। Faisal Ahmad, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Khalil Rabada. He's on 23 with the help of 3 fours and 1 Huey 6. Faisal to the batsman Rabada. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Rabada. This is Huey 6. 6 for Rabada, 6 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 68 without any loss. Very good batting by the batsman Khalil Rabada. He moves on 29 with the help of 2 fours and 3 fours. Very good shot at hand by the batsman. Tariq Dar, Chukar may be lose today. Thank you, Tariq Dar Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. Is again pass up to the batsman Khalil Rabada, and this is a good shot again played the batsman, but at that very good fielding by the batsman fielder Nadeem. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 63 for no wicket. Very good start for Wanigam United. Again, Faisal to the batsman Irfan Khan. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman. This is quality shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. 4 for Irfan Khan, 4 for Wanigam United. Very good batting by the two batsmen. This is a 67 partnership here by the two batsmen. Very good batting, very good start. The score moves on 67 without any loss. Chukar Royals, they need wickets here if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament. Faisal to the batsman Irfan Khan. Here is a chance, and the two batsmen take a single. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो 68 वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। दिस इज अ वेरी गुड स्टार्ट गिवन बाय द टू बैट्समैन Khalil Rabada and Irfan Khan. Khalil Rabada, he is on 30 and Irfan Khan, he is on 33. After 6 hours, the score is 68 without any loss. Mir Wasim, assalamu alaikum. Thank you Mir Wasim Saab for your love, for also joining us with this live broadcast. इस live broadcast को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो देखने वाले हैं घर बैठे वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा Now the new bowler is Ishfaq Dar, the captain of this team, Chukar Riders. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. Oh, this is great delivery by the captain of Chukar Riders. Beat the batsman. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by the bowler Ishfaq Dar. The score remains on 68. Ghulam Mohammad Dar, आपका भी शुक्रिया. Oh, दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. Very good shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. The score moves on 74. This is very good hit shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. He moves on 39 with the help of 3-6 and 4-4s. This is very good start by the two batsmen given to his team. The score moves on 74 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस मैच को लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद, इस मैच का मजा ले. दिस इज मीर वसीम अगेन एंड थैंक्स टू यू टू जॉइन अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट. दिस इज Ishfaq Dar, the captain of this team, Chukar Riders. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. He is on 39. This is a very good shot at the end. This is 4 for Irfan Khan. 4 for winning combinated. Very good batting here by the two batsmen. आज अगर चुकर राइडर्स की बात करें तो यहाँ पे सुस्त नजर दिखाई दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे चुकर राइडर्स फील्डर आज now again Ishfaq to the batsman Irfan Khan. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. Sorry, this is no white. Very good delivery. The score remains on 78 without any loss. Mohammad Asif, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam. Thank you, Mohammad Asif sahab, for joining us. Oh, this is another big hit for the batsman Irfan Khan. 6 for Irfan Khan, 6 for Wani combinated. यहाँ पे अगर छक्कों की बात करें तो बारिश हो रही है यहाँ पे छक्कों की. आज छक्कों की बारिश यहाँ पे इकबाल मेमोरियल ग्राउंड पे. Now he's on 49. Very good batting by Irfan Khan. And this is 50 for Irfan Khan. Very good batting by the batsman Irfan Khan. This is 50 up for Irfan Khan. The partnership moves on 85. Irfan Khan, he completes his 50 in 26 deliveries only with the help of 5 fours and with 4 huge 6. King wicket alert. Thank you, King. आज यहाँ पे आपकी सजेशन नहीं चल रही है. This is again Irfan Lofty. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. After 7 overs, the score is 85. Irshad Lefty to the batsman. This is a great delivery by Irshad Lefty. But at the end, the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 86 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. अगेन इरशाद लेफ्टी टू द बैट्समैन. दिस इज गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन Rabada. दिस इज 4 for Rabada, 4 for Kashmir Wani community. The score moves on 90 without any loss. This is very 90. Very good start given by the two batsmen for his team Wani community. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मजा लें. Again, Ishfaq Rabada, Irshad Rabada to the batsman Khalil. Very good delivery at the end. No run score remains on 90 without any loss. Irshad lefty to the batsman Rabada. Oh, beat the batsman Irshad Khalil Rabada. Very good delivery by Irshad lefty. This is again Irshad lefty to the batsman Rabada. Rabada plays another good shot here. Curtain shot. 4 for Rabada. 4 for Wani community. यहाँ पे छक्कों और चौकों की बारिश हो रही है आज इस ग्राउंड में इकबाल मेमोरियल श्रीवारपुरा पे. तेजी से स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 94 on board without any wicket. Irfan Khalil Rabada, he is on 38. Irshad lefty to the batsman Khalil Rabada. Oh, this is single for the two batsmen. At the misfield, the two batsmen take 2 runs here. The score moves on 96 without any loss. अगर हम बात करें वानीकॉम यूनाइटेड की तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत मिली है इन दो बैट्समैनों के. Very good batting here by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalil Rabada. The score is 96 after 8 hours. Very good start given by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalil Rabada. The two batsmen given start 96 without any loss. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें चुकर वायरस की, यहाँ पे विकेट लेने होंगे। यहाँ पे अगर इसी तरह से खेल चलता रहेगा तो 250 का टारगेट, 240 का टारगेट रहेगा आज, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर छक्कों की बात करें, चौकों की बात करें तो यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है छक्कों की और चौकों की वानीगाम यूनाइटेड की तरफ से। गुलाम मोहम्मद डार, पहले इवनिंग है क्या? गुलाम मोहम्मद डार साहब आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। दिस इज फर्स्ट इवनिंग ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट मैच हियर एट Sadiwarpura ग्राउंड. Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. First, Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 8 overs, the score on board is 96 without any wicket. This is great start given by the two batsmen, Irfan Khan and Khalid Rabada. The partnership is 96 and they face only 49 deliveries. Very good start given by the two batsmen for this team, Wanigam United. This is great start and this is very important match of this tournament, second round. Irshad lefty, he completes his 2 overs and give 26 runs. यहाँ पे अगर दरकार है तो विकेट दरकार है यहाँ पे चुकर रॉयल्स को. Now Wahid is on his bowling mark to the batsman. Here is a chance. Can they take? Oh, this is 4 for the batsman Irfan Khan and 4 for Wanigam United. Very good shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. He moves on 55 with the help of 6 fours and 4 huge 6. तारिक डार गलत बॉल कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू तारिक डार साहब फॉर योर गुड सजेशन टू द Chukar Royals. This is again Wahid on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. He is on 55. Very good start for his team. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman at and very good fielding. But the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 100. This is a 100 up for Wanigam. Very good start. This is lazy fielding, lazy bowling by Chukar Royals here. Now again Wahid Bashir to the batsman Khalid Rabada. Oh, beat the batsman. Very good delivery by Wahid. Beat the batsman Rabada. Rabada wants to hit this ball but missed this shot. Very good quality delivery by Wahid Bashir. The score remains on 100 wild. आप सभी से so this is again Wahid to the batsman. Again he wants to hit this ball but missed this shot. Very good bowling by the bowler Wahid Bashir. The score remains on 101 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए और इस मैच को, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. वाहिद बशीर अगेन टू द बैट्समैन. ओह, बीट द बैट्समैन रबाडा. वेरी गुड डिलीवरी, वेरी गुड डिलीवरी. आप जितनी तारीफ करें इस बॉलर की, वेरी गुड डिलीवरी बाय द बॉलर वाहिद बशीर. बीट द बैट्समैन खलील रबाडा. ही इज ऑन 40. यहाँ पे विकेट लेने होंगे चुकर रॉयल्स को. Wahid Bashir again to the batsman Rabada. Well, this is good delivery. Very good delivery by Wahid Bashir. Beat the batsman Khalid Rabada. This is good over by the young and energetic bowler of Chukar Royals, Wahid Bashir. Only 5 runs in this over. Mir Abid, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Where is the scoreboard? Sorry for scoreboard. आज थोड़ा इशू चल रहा है स्कोर में. इंशाल्लाह हम कोशिश करेंगे स्कोर बोर्ड को अपडेट करने में इंशाल्लाह. So this is 9 hours up. Sorry, this is the score is 101 without any wicket. Irshad lefty, he is on his bowling mark. He is on his 3rd over. And Irfan Khan, he is on strike. Oh, this is very good delivery by Irshad lefty. Beat the batsman Irfan Khan. He is on 56. The score remains on 100. Oh, here was the chance of a catch and the two batsmen take a single. Scorecard. Very good delivery by Irshad lefty. Beat the batsman Khalid Rabada. The score. Hard start man. The hard spot drop out. Yeah. Here the two batsmen take a single. Here the two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have very good total on board. This is a very good start given by the two batsmen for Wanigam United. Okay. The score is 103 after 10 hours without any wicket. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन के इस मैच को लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा, पानी का वक्फा यहाँ पे। After 10 hours, the score is 103 without any wicket. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो घर बैठे इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले। This is a very great start given by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalil Rabada. The score is 103 without any loss. यहाँ पे अगर चाहे तो विकेट की दरकार है यहाँ पे चुका रॉयल्स की को, क्योंकि Dar Yasir Sikur, thank you Dar Yasir Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. The score is 103 without any wicket after 10 hours. Dar Yasir ये first batting है, this is first batting between the two teams. बोलो बोलो बोलो। यहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी का वक्फा। This is a very important match between the two teams. Chukar Rivals versus Wanigam United. First, Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 10 overs, the score on board is 103 without any wicket. Very good start given by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalil Rabada. Irfan Khan, he is on 57 with the help of 6 fours and 4 Huey 6. Khalil Rabada, he is on 41 with the help of 5 fours and 2 Huey 6. The partnership is 103 runs. Very good start given by the two batsmen for Wanigam United. Now Wahid Bashir again, he is on his bowling mark on his second over to the batsman Khalil Rabada. Oh, this is a good start. Good. Here was the appeal, but very good delivery by the bowler Wahid Bashir. Beat the batsman Khalil Rabada. This is quality delivery by the bowler Wahid Bashir. Khalil Rabada, he is on 41. Wahid to the batsman Rabada. Oh, this is great delivery. Good delivery. Great delivery by the bowler Wahid Bashir. Beat the batsman. Oh, this is good shot made by the batsman. This is four for the batsman and 4 for Wanigam United. बैट्समैन कुछ बैट्समैन हमेशा बैट्समैन अल्लाह बल्ला गुमल हमेशा अल्लाह बल्ला बैट्समैन लेखा Wahid Bashir again to the batsman. This is a wide delivery and wise 4. Sorry, this is Irfan Khan on strike. This is a great delivery by Wahid Bashir. The score moves on 112 without any loss. This is the 11th over of this first inning between the two teams. Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. This is very great start given by the two batsmen Khalil Rabada and Irfan Khan. Now Khalil Rabada, he is on strike. This is 4 very good shot played by the batsman Khalil Rabada. 4 for Khalil, 4 for Wanigam United. The score moves 117 without any loss. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें यहाँ पे छक्कों और चौकों की बारिश हो रही है इस ग्राउंड पे एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है अपनी टीम को इन दो बैट्समैन ने खलील ही इज ऑन स्ट्राइक Oh, this is a great fielding at the end by Kamran Bhatt. हमीद अभी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, थैंक यू यासिर साहब, थैंक यू आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मज़ा ले। आपका भी शुक्रिया हमीद साहब और वालेकुम सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू आप सभी का। The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. First, Wanigam United they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But then very good start by the two batsmen Khalil Rabada and Irfan Khan. Now Khalil Rabada he is on 49. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस ब्रॉडकास्ट का मजा ले और आनंद ले। And you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal and keep support also on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Now the new batsman is Tahir Ahmed, is a new bowler for Chukar Royals. He's on his bowling mark. And the batsman Irfan Khan on strike. He's on 58. Oh, dandanata hua chakka. This is huge six by the batsman Irfan Khan. This is great batting here. Srivarpura ground. Chakkon ki barish yahan pe aaj. With the six, the score moves on 123, and the individual score of Irfan Khan is 64. With the help of 5, 6, and 6 4s. This is great batting here by the batsman Irfan Khan. He's on 64. Tied again to the batsman Irfan Khan. Oh, this is good comeback by the bowler. But at the end, very good fielding. Tahir again on his bowling mark to the batsman Khalil Rabada. He's on 49. Very good batting by the two batsmen. Rabada, he's on 49. Oh, this is 50 for Rabada. Very good batting by the batsman Khalil Rabada. Very good batting here at Srivarpura ground. This is great start by the two batsmen given Wanigam United. The score moves on 125 without any loss. Now again Tahir on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. Oh, this is a very good ball at and very good fielding by the batsman fielder Javed. The score remains on 125 without any loss. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें छक्कों की और चौकों की, यहाँ पे आज बारिश हुई यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे दोनों बैट्समैन ने। सो दिस इज Tahir again to the batsman wants to hit but this is wide given by the umpire. The score remains on 126 without any loss. किंग आफ्टर 11.2 ओवर्स 124 नो लॉस। थैंक यू किंग साहब, आपका सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। Tahir to the batsman Irfan Khan. Oh, this is good comeback by the bowler Tahir. Here is misfielding at the end by Kamran. The two batsmen take a single. This is Tahir again on his bowling mark to the batsman Rabada. Very good bowling by the bowler. This is up, 12 overs gone. The score is 127 without any wicket. 127. मीर मुदस्सिर हो यार, ये कुछ बॉलिंग करा। थैंक यू मीर मुदस्सिर साहब फॉर ज्वाइन join us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast also, and you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Wanigam United versus Chukar Royals. Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए तो विकेट दरकार है चुकर रॉयल्स को, और क्योंकि एक अच्छा सा टोटल दिया है 127 ऑन बोर्ड विदाउट एनी विकेट। एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है इन दो बैट्समैन ने, खलील रबाडा एंड इरफान खान। अगर हम बात करेंगे चुकर रॉयल्स की बैटिंग की, बल्लेबाजी, तो उनमें भी बहुत ही गहराई है बल्लेबाजी की। वो 250 रन भी चेस कर सकते हैं इस ग्राउंड पे, क्योंकि उनके पास मायानाज खिलाड़ी है जैसे कि जावेद साहब, निसार डार, छेड़ी, नदीम, ताहिर एंड आल्सो इशफाक नाग एंड आल्सो इरशाद लेफ्टी। नाउ आफ्टर 12 hours the score on board is 127 without any wicket. Now Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. Oh, Dandanata हुआ छक्का. Very good shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for Irfan Khan. 4 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 131 without any wicket. This is a great shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. He moves on 66 with the help of 6 fours and 5 U6. Now Faisal Ahmad, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. Oh, this is again good shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. This is 6 for Irfan, 6 for Wanigam United. यहाँ पे आज छक्कों की और चौकों की बारिश हो रही है यहाँ पे आज. This is a very great batting by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalid Rabada. Their partnership moves on 127 in 73 deliveries. आज एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है अपने टीम को यहाँ पे इन दो बल्लेबाजों ने. Now again Faisal to the batsman Irfan Khan. This is a great delivery. No runs, score remains on 127 without any loss. This is Fari Ajaz for joining us with this live broadcast. Thank you. This is again Faisal to the batsman Irfan Khan. This is a great shot played by the batsman Irfan Khan. 4 for Irfan Khan, 4 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 137 without any wicket. This is a very good start given by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalid Rabada. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए उन दो बल्लेबाजों की, एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है अपनी टीम को. दोबारा Faisal to the batsman and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. Parejaz Chaldi, thank you Parejaz साहब for your good session. Again Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Khan. This is good shot played by the batsman. 4 for Irfan Khan, 4 for Wanigam United. यहाँ पे आज अगर हम बात करें छक्कों और चौकों की, यहाँ पे आज बारिश हुई है इस मैच में जो कि खेला जा रहा है यहाँ पे श्रीवारपुरा इकबाल मेमोरियल ग्राउंड में. आज इन दो बल्लेबाजों ने एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है. Irfan Khan, he is on 84 and Khalid Rabada on non-strike, he is on 50. The partnership moves on 146 in 78 deliveries. Now again Faisal to the batsman Irfan Khan. He is on fire. This is Parejaz live and out not matching. Thank you Parejaz for your suggestion. This is a T20 Cup played at Sariwarpura. The score is 150 up for Wainegam United. Very good start given by the two batsmen. 150 without any loss. लतीफ चौहान साहब का भी शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। Parejaz साहब लाइव एट कमेंट्री नॉट मैचिंग। थैंक यू Parejaz साहब फॉर योर सजेशन। हियर इज द network issue. Sorry for that. Inshallah in next evening I will be try my best. Inshallah. Now the bowler is Nisar Dar on his bowling mark. And he also completes 2 overs and given 19 runs in 2 overs. Now again on his third over to the batsman Khalil Rabada. This is another good shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for Khalil Rabada, 4 for Wainegam United. This is great batting by the two batsmen. The score moves on 154 without any loss. King 13 hours 150 run no loss. Thank you King साहब for update this score. आज थोड़ा इश्यू चल रहा है इस अपडेट स्कोर कार्ड में. This is again Nisar to the batsman. This is another good shot played by the batsman and very good fielding by Faisal. The two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 155 without any loss. Now again Irfan Khan, he is on strike. Nisar to Irfan. Oh, this is great delivery. Very good delivery and very good knock played by the batsman Irfan Khan. 88 knock played here. Very good knock played by the batsman Irfan Khan. He lost his wicket on 88. Very good. Now this is first wicket for Chukar Royals. Wainegam United, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Irfan Khan. This is end of Irfan Khan, but at the end very good partnership between the two batsmen. Very good start given by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalil Rabada. आज यहाँ पे अगर बात करें बल्लेबाजी की तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है अपने टीम को वाइनिगाम यूनाइटेड को. खासकर इस बल्लेबाज जो आउट हुए हैं इसकी बात करें उसका नाम है इशफाक इरफान खान. He lost his wicket on 88. Now the new batsman is on strike. This is a very great start given by the two batsmen. The score is 155 for the loss of 1. Irshad Gojri, fair batsman, Chukar Royals. Thank you Irshad Gojri साहब for your love to Chukar Royals. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. So this is the first wicket for Nisar Dar. He takes his first wicket for his team Chukar Royals. But this is very great start given by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalil Rabada. 155 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए और आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट की काटें कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस पे. नाउ आतिफ नबी इज ऑन स्ट्राइक. दिस इज वाइड एंड बाय 4. अगर इसी तरह से बल्लेबाजी चलती रहे तो जो टारगेट है वो 250 तक रहेगा. This is again Nisar to the batsman Atif. This is single for Atif. He opens his account with the single. The score moves on 160 for the loss of 1 now. Atif, Khalil Rabada on strike. This is another good delivery by Nisar Dar, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 161 for the loss of 162 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is another good delivery by Nisar Dar. The two batsmen take a single. 14 hours completed. The score on board is 163. So for the loss of 1. Khalil Rabada, he is on 56. And the new batsman Atif Nabi, he is on 2. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें इस मैच की तो एक अच्छी सी शुरुआत दी है बल्लेबाजों ने, खासकर इरफाक खान एंड खलील रबाड़ा। एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है अपनी टीम को, एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप बनाई है। 150 पार्टनरशिप फॉर द टू बैट्समैन खलील रबाड़ा एंड इरफाक खान। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। Irshad lefty on his bowling mark to the batsman Atif Nabi, the new batsman for Wanigam United. He is on strike. This is great delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, this is 15th over of this first inning. A very good start given by the two batsmen for Wanigam United. The score moves on 164. Irshad, this is very good delivery by Irshad lefty. Here was the appeal, but the two batsmen take a single here. With the single, the score moves on 165 for the loss of 1. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी वीडियो की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। दिस इज अगेन इरशाद लेफ्टी टू द बैट्समैन आतिफ। दिस इज another single for the two batsmen. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 165, 166 for the loss of 1. And this is 15th hour of this first evening between the two teams. Chukar Royals versus Wanigam United. First Wanigam United, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But this is very good decision taken by the captain of Wanigam United. This is again a shot lefty to the batsman Khalil Rabada. This is single for Rabada and single for Wanigam United. The score moves on 167 for the loss of 1. A shot lefty again to the batsman Atif Nabi. This is another great delivery by Irshad lefty, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 168 for the loss of 1. King Mix, thank you Kings for joining us with this live broadcast. This is lefty again to the batsman Rabada. Rabada plays a shot here at the end. Very good fielding by the captain of Chukar Royals, Ishfaq Tar. The score remains on 168 after 15 hours. अगर हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पे बल्लेबाजी की तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है इन दो बल्लेबाजों ने अपनी टीम को, वानीकाम यूनाइटेड को, खासकर इरफाक खान। एक अच्छी नाक यहाँ पे खेली, 88 रन की नाक यहाँ पे खेली इरफाक खान। Now again Nisar Dar to the batsman Atif. This is a very good shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for Nisar, sorry 6 for Atif Nabi, 6 for Wanigam United. This is first 6 for Atif Nabi. The score moves on 174 for the loss of 1. यहाँ पे अगर छक्कों और चौकों की बात करें तो यहाँ पे आज सैलाब हुआ यहाँ पे छक्कों और चौकों की वानीगाम यूनाइटेड के बल्लेबाजों की तरफ से। Now again Nisar Dar to the batsman Atif Nabi. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for the batsman Atif Nabi, 6 for Wanigam United. This is expensive over here by Nisar Dar. The score moves on 180 for the loss of 1. This is great batting by the batsman of Wanigam United. Again Nisar Dar to the batsman Atif Nabi. This is another good shot, another good big hit by the batsman. Dandanata hua chakka. Very good shot played by the batsman. 3 balls, 3 sixes. This is very expensive over by the bowler Nisar Dar. Atif Nabi, he moves on 17. Sorry, 23. With the help of 3 who 6. The score moves on 186 for the loss of 1. Atif Nabi, he is on 23 with again Nisar Dar to the batsman Atif Nabi. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for Atif, 4 for Wanigam United. यहाँ पे स्कोर तेजी से बढ़ता हुआ 190. This is great batting here by the batsman Atif Nabi. He moves on 27 with the help of 3, 6 and 1, 4. Nisar to the batsman Atif Nabi. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman. This is another 4 for Atif Nabi, 4 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 194 for the loss of 1. This is very expensive over here by the bowler Nisar Dar. This is last delivery of this over. Nisar to the batsman Atif. Again, here is a chance of a wicket. Oh, this is very good catch taken by the fielder Faisal. This is end of the batsman Atif, but very well knock off 31 runs in 10 deliveries with the help of 2 fours and 3 huge sixes. The score is 194 for the help of 2. Can Wanigam United give the target of 250 to Chukwara? This is very great batting by the batsman of Wanigam United. Right. What's your average? Not yes. Sorry, average. Gazan lives me, Gazan Pada. Now I follow Gazan Pada, Gazan Tawish. Guys, Gazan lives me, Gazan Pada. Yeah, Gazan Pada, natural issue. Don't just wish. A wish? आज यहाँ पे छक्कों और चौकों की बारिश हुई है यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे सलीवारपुरा ग्राउंड पे एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे वानीगाम यूनाइटेड के बल्लेबाजों ने. द स्कोर इज 194 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2. Can they give the target of 250, 240 to Chukwara Royals? It will be seen after 4 hours. Now 4 hours is remaining for this first evening of this match. Now the new batsman is Muzammil 3-3. He's on strike now. Sorry, he's on non-strike. So over. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. This is Kamran Butt to the batsman Rabada. Here is another chance of a wicket putt at the end. This is a lazy fielding at the end. The two batsmen company 2 runs. The score moves on 196 for the loss of 2. This is very great start given by the two batsmen. And also Atif Nabi, he plays very well knock here, 35 runs knock. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. Now Rabada is on strike. This is chance here, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 197 for the loss of 2. अब इस फर्स्ट इनिंग्स के 4 ओवर बचे हैं. Now Kamran again to the batsman Muzammil. This is a chance here. This is 4 for the batsman Muzammil. He opens his account with this 4. The score moves on. This is 200 up for Wanigam United. Very good start given by the two batsmen Irfan Khan and Khalid Rabada. And after the loss of the batsman Irfan Khan, Atif plays another. This is another good shot played by the batsman. Very good shot. This is 6 for the batsman Muzammil 3-3-3. First 6 for Muzammil. With this 6, the score moves on 206-7 for the loss of 2. This is a great batting by the batsman of Wanigam United. 207 for the loss of 2. आप सभी से निवेदन है इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. This is again Kamran Butt to the batsman Muzammil. This is another good shot played by the batsman. Dannada hua chauka. Very good shot played by the batsman Muzammil. He moves on 14. The score moves on 211 for the loss of 2. This is great shot played by the batsman Muzammil. आज यहाँ पे सैलाब हुआ है छक्कों और चौकों का इस श्रीवारपुरा इकबाल मेमोरियल ग्राउंड में जो कि मैच खेला जा रहा है वानीगाम यूनाइटेड वर्सेस चुक्वारा रॉयल्स. Wanigam United, they win the toss and they opted to bat first after 16.5 hours. The score is 211. Very huge total. Now 3 hours is remaining in this evening. This is another good shot at the end. Lazy fielding by Irshad Lefty. He missed this fielding. This is 4 for Muzammil. 4 for Wanigam United. The score moves on 215. Muzammil, he moves on 18 with the help of 3 fours and 1 huge 6. This is a great batting here by the batsman Muzammil. Now 3 hours are remaining in this first evening. Now Ishfaq Dar, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Khalil Rabada. He is on 60. आज एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे वानीगाम यूनाइटेड ने, एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है. This is a great bowling by the bowler Ishfaq, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 216 for the loss of 2. Ishfaq to the batsman Muzammil. This is another good shot. This is 6 for Muzammil, 6 for Waningham United. Very good shot played by the batsman Muzammil. 3-3-3. He moves on 24 with the help of 2 huge 6 and 3 4s. This is a great shot played by the batsman Muzammil. Now again Ishfaq to the batsman Muzammil. This is another shot played by the batsman. Another 6 for Muzammil. 6 for Waningham United. दनदनाता हुआ छक्का. यहाँ पे अगर छक्कों की बात करें तो यहाँ पे आज सैलाब हुआ है छक्कों का, चौकों का सैलाब हुआ इन दो बल्लेबाजों के, वानीगाम यूनाइटेड के बल्लेबाजों के दौरान. Ishfaq to the batsman Muzammil. This is wide given by the umpire. This is wide. यहाँ पे एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है इरफान खान ने, जो अपना विकेट गवाए है. 88 runs knock play, very well knock. And also Atif, he plays a very well knock here. 35 runs knock with the help of 3 huge 6s and 4 4s. Now Muzammil, he's on 30 with the help of 3 4s and 3 huge 6s. This is Khalil Rabada, also plays on 61. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए बल्लेबाजों की उतनी कम है, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ इस ग्राउंड पे. आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मजा लें. Muzammil 33, he is on strike, he is on 30. Ishfaq on his bowling mark. This is a very good delivery, very good catch taken by the wicketkeeper Kaisar Tar. And this is end of Muzammil. He moves on 30. And very good batting by Muzammil. He faces just 7 deliveries and make 30 runs with the strike rate of 500 strike rate for this batsman Muzammil. This is very well knock played by the batsman Muzammil. The score is 229 for the loss of 3. आप सभी से गुजारिश है कि इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में इस मैच का मजा लें, इस मैच का आनंद लें. And you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is T20 Cup played at Sriwarpura Iqbal Memorial Ground. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Waningham United. The new batsman is Samir Butt. Wants to hit this ball, but at the end, very good delivery by Ishfaq, the captain of this team, Chukar Royals. The score remains on 229 for the loss of 3. Samir Butt. This is a good shot played by the batsman and opens his account with a single. The score moves on 230 for the loss of 3. आप सभी से निवेदन है कि इस मैच को, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले.